Earth, a mysterious Earth from millions and millions of years ago. There were no human footsteps anywhere. There was no noise of modern civilization. There was only a huge sky, oceans stretching to the horizon, and empty, silent lands with no people. But have you ever thought deeply about this? Before the creation of the first human, Prophet Adam alayhi salam, who actually lived on this vast earth, was this earth completely empty? Today, in the light of the Holy Quran and authentic Hadith, we will uncover that ancient mystery of creation and learn who the real rulers of this earth were. And before that, before mankind, I created the jinn from smokeless blazing fire. This mysterious race walked the earth long before humans. In this vast earth, the jinn built their own world. For many thousands of years, they ruled every corner of this earth, from mountain caves to deep forests. But pride and arrogance began to grow among them. They forgot that this power was only a test from the great Lord. Then Allah made a historic announcement to the angels. I am going to create a Khalifa on the earth.